everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we are going to explain about the creation of doors by using the AutoCAD software. Before going to creation of doors, let's discuss about the doors. 3 feet opening for bedrooms, halls and kitchen. Then take 3 feet and this is also 3 feet. 2 inches for thickness. And join these two points by using the start and direction. Draw the arc from this point to this point. This is the simple door. Another one type of door is take line and draw the 4 inch and make 2 inches horizontal line and join these two lines. After that, select this object and mirror by using the mirror command. After that, go to multi-line. Shortcut key for multi-line is MLINE. And then select arc, start and then draw the arc and then join these two lines. This is the another type of the doors. This is the simple doors. For more video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.